Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to search on Instagram. If you are looking for something specific like somebody's profile or an account, let me show you how to search like a pro. First, open the Instagram on your mobile device, then tap the magnifying glass at the bottom. This brings you to the Explore page. Then at the top, you'll see search bar. Type in what you're looking for. You can search for accounts, hashtags, or places. Once you type in, swipe through the tabs. Some pro tip is to use hashtag for more targeted result, like hashtag travel tips or hashtag fitness goals. Once you found the page you're looking for, you can enjoy the content. Now you're a search expert. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.